Today I'll show you how to change the engine air filter in a T1N Sprinter.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
First, we're going to remove 3 bolts holding down the heat shield with a 10mm socket. After that, remove the wiring harness from the heat shield and then move the heat shield out of the way. Next, we will loosen this clamp using a 7mm socket and then move the air intake hose aside. Now that that's out of the way, we'll flip the 2 clips on the corners of the air filter lid. After popping these loose, we can remove the lid. It's a tight fit, but there should be clearance to move it out of the way. As you can see, it looks like my filter needed changed a bit sooner, or maybe it wasn't fully seated when it was last changed, so it got sucked into the air intake box. I decided to give the filter box a much needed deep clean and get all that dust out of here. Installing the new filter is a little bit tricky. Pay close attention to how the filter pops down into the edges right here. There's a gasket on the filter that you want to seat into the box's lip to get a full seal.
Now we basically just do the reverse of what we did. So we just do this clamp on here that should seal it up nice. Be good for now. We'll eventually grab another clip from somewhere. Here we attach this hose. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Hit the subscribe button if you got any value. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next week. See ya.